Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to perform sprint planning using ASANA boards. So let's get started. First up, we'll create a new board for our sprint. Head over to ASANA, click on the plus new button, and choose board. Name it according to your sprint. Now, why do we do this? Well, a dedicated board helps us keep all our sprint tasks in one organized place, making it easier to track progress. Now that we've done that, we'll divide our board into different columns. These columns often represent stages of task progress, such as to do, in progress, and done. To add a column, simply click the plus add column button and name it accordingly. This helps us understand the status of each task at a glance. Next, we're going to add tasks to our board. Click the plus add task button, and a new task will be created in the to-do column. Fill in the task details like name, description, due date, and assignee. Now you might ask, why is this crucial? Well, breaking down your sprint into individual tasks helps distribute work evenly among team members and ensures everyone knows what they're responsible for. Once you've added all the tasks, it's time to prioritize them. You can drag and drop tasks within a column to reorder them. The reason we do this is to help the team understand which tasks should be tackled first, ensuring we're always working on the most impactful tasks. Now, let's talk about task dependencies. You can make a task dependent on another by clicking on it, selecting Add Dependency, and then choosing the task it depends on. This is essential because it ensures that tasks are completed in the correct order, avoiding any roadblocks down the line. Last but not least, don't forget to review your sprint board with your team. To do this, simply share the board link with them. This helps ensure everyone is on the same page and understands the sprint plan. And there you have it. You've just learned how to perform sprint planning using ASANA boards. Remember, the key to a successful sprint is a well-planned, organized board that everyone can follow. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.